Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin with measuring the frame so the replacement fits. Write width and height down now. Remove the door by loosening the bottom rollers and lifting upward, then pull the door out at about a 45 degrees angle. Use a flathead to pry the spline out. Do it slowly to avoid bending the frame. Once the old mesh is free, vacuum the channel and wipe it clean. Make sure to remove debris because it prevents a tight seal when you install the new screen. You lay the new mesh over the frame, aligning one edge and leaving a 1/2 inch overlap all around so trimming is simple later. Begin inserting the spline at a corner, pressing it into the groove with the roller while keeping tension on the mesh. This prevents wrinkles. Work methodically toward the opposite corner and cut the spline to length when you meet the start. Once the spline is seated, check every edge, re-roll any loose sections, and trim the excess mesh flush with a sharp knife. You trim the remaining mesh carefully so edges are flush and smooth. Then lift the door back onto the track and lower it into place, adjusting the rollers until the door slides evenly. Test by opening and closing the door several times, checking for snags, gaps, or a loose fit. Make sure the screen seals properly when closed. If you see sagging or puckers, reseat the spline and increase tension, or swap to a slightly larger spline.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.